guys, we are on a ride for World Motorcycle Day and we are going to Rajarhat Eco Park, Newtown with many superbikes. In front of us there is a ZX14R. Let's hear some music. It was really loud. Going to Eco Park because an event is going on for WND. Many superbikes will come. Let's see how we will enjoy. Beautiful Jarvis. This one is Harley 48 and another one is Suzuki Hayabusa. Guys, please watch this video till the end. I hope you will enjoy, and this video will shake a little bit cause I have done it on my phone. I don't have a GoPro and I am doing this kind of video for the first time, so please forgive me and let's hear some good music.
Famous and we all know the famous biker in Calcutta. At last we have reached at Eco Park and we are just parking our bikes and we will enter. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.